This one is Conejo. I'm starting at the master bath. We've got two closets, two big walk-in closets, big master plantation shutters at every window. Very, 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 very small yard. That is not your yard. That is the neighbor's yard. Now we look at the hallway. It's got upstairs. It's got wood floors, real wood. This is a 12 by 12 blue room. This is a bathroom. And in the hallway, it has a small little balcony that overlooks a one-car garage there that's backwards, and then a two-car garage is down there to the left. Can't get out. If you look upstairs, you have a loft. And then over there is a 12 by 12 bedroom, Jack and Jill hallway desk to a 12 by 12 bedroom. These two little mini stairs go here. A 12 by 12 bedroom that has a bathroom and a closet in it. It's a 12 by 12, but it's got a bathroom. That is the doorway to the hall desk. Going downstairs. We're going this house backwards on Conejo. When you first come in, here's the door, front door. You have a little nook, formal living room. It's only a 12 by 12. Get over here to the left. When you walk in, you have a full bedroom, 12 by 12 bathroom, hall linens. This is a dining room nook. The kitchen, very unique kitchen island, maple cabinets, white appliances, slab countertops, very, very small backyard, long, long laundry room. There it is with a ladder in it. When you walk out to see this backyard, this is it. This is your backyard, one side to the other. That's all she wrote.